Here is yet another warning about PayPal that somebody sent me this morning, which might even affect me, because this situation might affect me, that you might not be aware of, so it might affect you too. But first of all, welcome back, and if you're new to me, I'm a barrister who helps you understand law. So, let's take a look at this. One of my viewers sent me this screenshot saying, action required on your PayPal account. Use your account to avoid an inactivity service fee. So let's just pause for a moment. PayPal is going to charge you for not using your account. Let's read on. Your PayPal account registered with redacted has been identified as inactive. Unless action is taken before this date, this account will be charged the inactivity service fee set out, or the balance on the account, whichever is less. This fee will be charged on an annual basis if your account remains inactive. For more information, see the FAQ. And to avoid this inactivity service fee, you can take any of these actions. Log into your account, shop wherever PayPal is selected, send money to friends and family or vendors for goods and services, withdraw money from your account, or donate to a charity, and so on and so forth. Now, I know with some bank accounts you can pay for a premium account and you pay a monthly fee, and you know this at the outset, but I suspect that not everyone is aware of this right at the outset, but at least this came by way of an email. So if you have a PayPal account and it might be at an email address that you no longer monitor, but you have some money in there, which is one of the cases where you might not spot this email if you're not monitoring the email address, you might suddenly log in one day to find some of the money or all of the money disappear. And even if the balance goes to zero, this is not entirely clear that it isn't going to push you into some kind of debt. And since it's to do with money, and anything to do with money, if you start owing money on those accounts, that can have serious implications, none of which I would really like to find myself in and stick around long enough to do so. So as I say, if you have a PayPal account that you've had for years that is now linked to an old email address, which happens to many of us, it's happened to me before. If you have this account and you don't check the balance, I would urge you right now to go ahead and check that account, see whether there's any money in there, see whether there's any fees taken out of there, because as I say, if you're not monitoring the account, you might just lose the fee on an annual basis for not using the account. So I hope that was useful. Please like the video and subscribe if you found that useful, and I'll see you next time.